Hello friends, welcome to AQIS YouTube channel. This session is a part of our daily current affairs series. In today's session, we'll talk about QSim. QSim is Quantum Computer Simulator Toolkit. So this toolkit, it has been launched by Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Okay. So this word is very important. Just remember QSim, it is related to quantum computing because this word can be asked in prelims. Now, this toolkit, it has been developed with the support of Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. The ministry provided the funds, and researchers from IIT Roorkee and IISc Bangalore, they have developed this QSim. Now, this toolkit will help researchers in writing a quantum code. Okay, now writing a quantum code will be easier now. Okay, and to debug a quantum code, it will be far more easier now. So writing and debugging a quantum code will be far more convenient now. Now, what is this quantum code? You have to understand. Quantum code means encoding qubits. Okay, so encoding and decoding qubits is done under quantum code. Okay, now you must know that quantum computers use qubits. Okay, so they store information in qubits, and the classical computers that we use, they use bits. So this is the difference you must know: bits and qubits. Okay, so classical computers, they can store either 0 at a time or 1 at a time. Okay, however, qubits, it means quantum computers, can store 0 and 1 at the same time. Okay, so that's why processing is relatively faster. So when you link qubits, then processing of the computer increases exponentially. However, when you link bits, then the speed is relatively lower. So this is the difference: qubits and bits. So this is what you need to understand. So the concept behind is that use of subatomic particles. Okay, so under quantum theory, use of subatomic particles is possible. So at the quantum computing level, we are utilizing the subatomic particles also. We are storing the information in subatomic particles also. As a result, now storing information, processing information, this is far more easier than classical computing. So from the prelims perspective, just remember the word QSim. It is a toolkit. It will help researcher and students to write and debug a quantum code. Now understanding practical aspects of quantum computing, it will be easy for students and researchers. So these are some benefits of quantum computer simulator. And you must know about quantum computing, that it uses qubits. However, classical computer uses however, the classical computing, it uses bits. So just know the difference between qubits and bits. Okay, so that's all you need to know regarding this topic. And I have provided the notes regarding the news. You can download these notes and you can revise. So if you have liked our initiative, you can subscribe our YouTube channel for more such videos. And you can follow our social media platforms for daily current affairs content. We upload daily current affairs on our various social media platforms like Facebook, Telegram, Instagram, etc. So that's all for today's session. I'll see you in the next session soon. Bye bye. Take care.